In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up a short text response block within your Typeform account so you can start gathering specific details from your audience. When you want to collect brief pieces of information like names or email addresses, this is the perfect tool to use. To begin the process, you first need to open your specific form inside the Typeform editor workspace. Once you are looking at your project, look over at the left-hand sidebar where you will see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon to add a brand new question block to your sequence. A menu will appear with several different question types, and you will want to scroll through and select the option labeled short text. After you click that, a new block will be generated in your form editor immediately. Now it is time to customize the field to fit your needs. You can click directly into the question text area and type your specific prompt. For this example, we are going to type the phrase, "What is your full name?" into the field. This ensures your respondents know exactly what information you are looking for. You will notice that short text blocks are designed for answers that stay on a single line, making them ideal for quick data points. You can also look at the settings on the right side if you want to make the question required or add a description for extra clarity. Once you have typed in your question, your short text block is ready to go. This simple process allows you to build a professional and interactive experience for everyone who fills out your form. If you follow these quick steps, you can easily gather all the essential details you need from your users in a clean and organized way. Setting up these blocks is the foundation of creating a great form that looks amazing and functions perfectly for any business or personal project you are currently working on today.